Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. This is a rather lengthy word problem involving piecewise functions. And I think you should read this, maybe pause the video for a minute and take a look at it and read it, and then start the video again, because I'm going to be jumping right into a solution here. Okay. So there are three different ways that this student, Dave, has going from his Padelford Hall over to Gould Hall on his presumably college campus. One way is the first way, which is the red, and so I'm going to use red here. He just walks at a constant speed. Now the distance is 2,400, and he makes that trip at that constant speed of over to the hall. And if we were to, he has to travel, I think it says 10 minutes. So he's traveled, after 10 minutes, he's traveled 2,400 feet, which is the distance. So you can see the equation here. This would be distance equals the slope here is going to be 240. The x-intercept, the y-intercept is 0, 0. And we just have to restrict him, for time. So 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 10. And so that's the red line. Now we're going to do the blue line. That's a little more complicated. So here we go with the blue line. Now the scenario for the blue, now the blue and the black are identical from 0 to 7 minutes here. Well, they overlap. So the scenario here is he walks, he walks at a constant speed. It takes him 6 minutes to reach the halfway point. So at 6 minutes, he's at 1,200 here. So you don't see a marker here for 1,200. We can put that in. And he's halfway at 6, and then he rests for a minute. He gets confused and he just stops. And then he travels on at the same rate of speed that he was traveling before. So to figure out his rate of speed, we just need that slope from here to here. So it's just 1,200 over 6. So he's going to be moving at 200 t. And this is going to be 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 6. And then he's going nowhere here. He's staying at 1,200 from 6 to 7. And then at 7, he's continuing at his earlier speed, which is 200. And we just need to adjust the intercept here. And that's going to be, just find that. So that's minus 200. Here we go. Minus 200. And this is from t greater than or equal to 7. He arrives at his destination at 13 minutes. So that's the blue line. Okay, and then last one is black. And black looks the same here, so I'm just going to put it, oops, didn't change the color there. Okay, so D here is going to be exactly the same. It's 200T. And then at 1200, he's resting. He's confused. But now he's continues along at twice his earlier speed. So that would be 400T. And then we have to adjust the intercept to get the equation of that last line. And so this is 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 6. And then 6 less than or equal to t. All right, sorry. 6 less than t. 6 less than t less than 7. And then this last one, 7 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 10. You can see the black line ends when t is 10. And so whether he walks continuously at a rate of 240 or whether he stops and then rests for a minute and then picks up his speed here. So the red and the black are going to get him at his destination at the same time. Okay, so there's a lot going on here. And just take your time with it, and I think you'll see it's not that bad. Let's do it step by step. Okay, well, that's it for this problem. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.